Let me show you how to fix KCB app login problem, Kenya. Now in this situation, the first thing that you can immediately do is try to clear out the app cache and data of the application. Simply tap and hold the app, head over to the eye icon. Once you're inside of the settings page, head over to storage, and right here you should be able to see the option called clear storage being displayed. What this does is clears out any corrupted files which might be causing this issue. Now once you complete this first step, try to see if the issue is resolved. If the issue still persists, then what you could secondly try out is just reinstall the entire application from your device. This ensures that you have the latest version, and any sort of bugs which might be causing the issue should also be fixed. Now even after trying both of these steps, the issue still persists. This is likely happening due to the connection timeout or server errors, which means that the maintenance is going on within the servers. So in this situation, just wait out a couple of hours before the issue is automatically resolved. I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.